Do you also have a date coming up just like I do? You must be wondering how to be ready for your big date. But don't worry, I know exactly how to prepare you. So let's get ready, guys. Come on. Upon entering the shower, I like to use a body scrub using coffee and coconut oil. So to smoothen the skin, I use this deep exfoliating and anti-cellulite body scrub. I use this all over my body, literally. Be it my hands, underarms, legs, feet, like I said, everywhere. You can choose to wax, but I like to shave my hands and feet using a shaving cream. The shaving cream acts as a cushion to prevent any nicks or cuts, and I'm sure you definitely don't want that right now, just before your big day. Just start shaving the body hair going in the direction of your hair growth gently and slowly. This step instantly smoothens the skin like baby soft. Next is face and hair prep. For the hair, I'm going to be using my very favorite hair spa cream by L'Oreal. It instantly smoothens and softens the hair, giving them that much required volume and shine, and trust me, it smells super amazing. So just applying the cream in my strands and scalp and covering my head with a shower cap or a towel for just 30 minutes. And let it do all the magic. While I wait for my hair cream to soak in, I will apply a face mask in the meanwhile. I'm using a charcoal face mask tonight. I highly recommend using a face mask that you know you have tried before and will definitely not cause any sort of irritation whatsoever. This charcoal mask by Aroma Magic is my absolute favorite detoxifying and deep cleansing mask. Don't ever forget your lips. Dull and chapped lips are very disappointing and a big turn off. So take your time to scrub the dead skin cells on the lips. I love scrubbing my lips with a toothbrush as it does the job excellently well, and of course, because it's a big night tonight, give your lips some extra love by wearing one of these lip masks and your lips are kiss ready. One of the things that everyone first notices is feet. So remember, pretty feet work as a charm. For a quick at-home foot soak, take a bowl and throw some bath salts in it along with a cup of apple cider vinegar and your favorite essential oil. Dip your feet and let them soak for 20 minutes. While you're having this pamper session, enjoy this time. Read a magazine or listen to some music. I also like to remove the dead skin cells using a pumice stone and apply a beautiful bright shade on your toenails. Then just get going with your makeup like you would normally do, and you're ready for the big event. I hope you like this video. Like, share and subscribe, and stay tuned for more such videos. I'll see you soon. Bye.